Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to download a modded version of the game Cooking Fever. So this works on iOS and Android. You can get unlimited gems with it, no ban on the account. So I'm going to show you how to download it into your device. It works on iOS and Android. So I'm enabling unlimited gems right now, and now they should start to go up. So let's see if our gems go up or if this doesn't work. So right now we're at 710 and there they go. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It works on iOS, works on Android, doesn't matter what phone you're using, you can do this. So let's get into the tutorial and I'm going to show you how to download the Cooking Fever mod. So first thing we're going to do is go into the website tweakmod.com, right? So once you're here, you want to find Cooking Fever and press install, and there's going to be this bar that loads and it's going to download, right? So let's just wait for it to download here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to go ahead and finish. So let's just let it finish, as you can see. All right, so just going to wait for it to load up and we're going to be all set. So let's just wait for it to load here. So it's at the end now. So what we got to do is download 2 apps and complete the instructions as the last step. This is known as the verification, guys, and it's easy. You can see it says missing files, additional files are required for Cooking Fever. So we just have to download 2 of these. You just press on it and it brings you to the store. You can see they're all different, down install play for 4 minutes, down install use for 3 days. So just do a couple of them and then the Cooking Fever mod will be on your phone. Now, I don't know what ones you're going to see. I'm in the US, so these are just the ones they show me. There is a video to watch if you're confused, but that's how to get the Cooking Fever mod. For iOS and Android, works 2025. So yeah, it's pretty cool. You can see all the settings here, so unlimited gems, So be sure to try it out. See you guys later. But this actually works, guys, so it's not like a scam or something like all these other weird-ass mods that exist on YouTube. They're mostly fake. But I'm going to see you later, and peace out.